Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn how to install PyCharm in Windows 11 machine. Now let's search for install PyCharm and hit enter. Then I should get one site which will be related to JetBrains. So I will go to this site. And there we can see there are two versions. One is professional, one is community. So I'm going to download the community version. So download has started. Once downloaded, double click on exe file and install PyCharm. Once installed, then we'll get this completion message. Click on finish and go to the search bar, search for PyCharm, open the software. Then we need to accept the user agreement, continue, and don't share the data. And now I will get the welcome page of PyCharm. From here I can open any Python project and enjoy PyCharm. Thanks for watching.